An on-screen pop-up message will alert you when it's time for cleaning. Follow the prompts on screen. If you need to perform the clean cycle manually, first, access the settings menu by touching the cog icon on the upper right of the screen and select the clean cycle. Before you start, you're going to want to empty the drip tray. Then to commence, insert the 1-cup basket into the portafilter. Place the cleaning disc inside. Place the cleaning tablet into the center. Place the portafilter into the group head. Select the right arrow on the screen to continue and then press Start. Once the screen indicates the clean cycle is finished, remove the portafilter. The tablet should have completely dissolved. If it hasn't, commence another cycle until it completely dissolves. Remove the portafilter and flush the group head.